Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money on Shopify. To start, go to your Shopify account. Click on the settings from your bottom left. Then head towards the option of billing. Now you need to click on Add Payment Method. Add your payment method type. If you select a card, you'll need to add all the necessary information about your credit card. Also, you will need to add your country or region, your first and last name along with your complete address. Once it is all done, click on Add Credit Card. Your information will be added. For the other payment method, if you select PayPal instead of a card, you'll have to add all the necessary information about your PayPal account. You can withdraw money on Shopify by using these payment methods. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.